Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my Dreamview channel. Now I'm going to tell you about Midea 584 liters frost-free side-by-side refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 584 liters, compressor type non-inverter compressor, defrosting type frost-free. Come into the specifications. Generally in the box we get refrigerator unit, user manual and warranty card. Type side by side, refrigerator type side by side refrigerator. Capacity 584 liters. Number of doors 2. Airflow type multi airflow. Warranty 1 year compressive product warranty and 10 years on compressor from Midea. Cost price 49,999 rupees only. To purchase this refrigerator, hit the link in the below description, and to get more interesting videos, do subscribe to our Dreamview channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.